Well, there she is, finished, ready for hooking back up and getting her going again. Now, the reason I haven't done many videos on the assembly of this is because everybody's will be different, so I haven't gone into any great depth on this. I mean, your controller will be different, your drivers will be different, unless you follow this explicitly. But I don't think you know, the majority of people will. They'll get what they can for the money they have. I know that the fans are overkill, but I want to try and keep everything as cool as possible, so that, you know, there's no thermal prattling about. Okay, all I got to do now is put it on this temporary shelf. Like so. And then I can turn around parallel to the bench and get her all going. But I'm quite pleased with the way this has turned out, and extremely pleased about the mod on the breakout board, because I'd have been changing components before I even thought of a link. Right, well there we are, peeps. I'll bring you back when it's all in place and wired up, ready to fire up. I'm happy with the wiring I had before, so what I've done, as you can see, is I'm wiring each motor up individually, each stepper motor up individually on its own individual power supply, and stop switch I'm going to put in series with the on circuit of the power packs, so that when I hit the stop switch it will shut the power off immediately, and also I'll bring a contact off to tell Mac that it's been activated. And the fans are being powered individually as well, so that one stepper motor will have its own dedicated power supply. The reason I'm doing that is because when all the axes are trying to move at the same time doing a job, they're very noisy, very slow, and they definitely don't operate to the settings. I know that's not normal, but this isn't a normal CNC machine. Okay then, peeps.